Hello friends, in the today's session we are going to discuss about command basically CMD commands. So today we are going to discuss the task list. So basically when if you want to see the option of the task list, so what you can do, you can just enter this command. So before proceeding this one, so this task list is equivalent to the basically when you just in the windows you can right click and open the task manager where you can see all the tasks. So the same thing we can perform with the help of the command line. So the purpose of this task list is so sometime what happens, we have to write a script or something that you have to be find the task list PID and all. So what you can do, you can just write here task list slash, and after that v stands for the verbose. So if you will press enter here, so it will be giving you the the name of the process, this is a process ID, who is running it, what memory consumption it, who is the user who is authorized to it, how much CPU consumption it will be taking time. So it will be displayed in the form of the verbose. Same way, one more command we have here. So this one, WBEM. So what exactly this one? So if you want to see the Windows management instrument process, what are the Windows management instruments that are running, so we will simply run this command task list hyphen slash it's the task list hyphen slash. So it will be giving you the list of that are associated with the Windows management instruments. So these are the processes that are running. If you want to if you see that you want to kill any of the processes, you can kill it from here. So basically this is the end. Now one more command I just want to be highlight over here along with this, find str. And if you want to find as assume chrome command, so you can just press enter. It will give you the list of those commands that you want to filter here. So tomorrow if you want to filter any other name commands, if you want to Windows win start that are starting with this one, so it will give you the filtering option over here. So this is the small topic that we are covering today. We will taking the next command in the next session. Hope this session will be useful for you. Thank you.